Setting up your Shopify store after signing up is essential to start selling your products online. Follow these steps to complete your setup efficiently. Step 1. Access your Shopify dashboard. Log into your Shopify account to access your dashboard. This is where you will manage your store, add products, and customize your settings. Step 2. Choose a theme. Navigate to the online store section and click on themes. Browse through the available themes and select one that fits your brand. You can customize the theme later to match your style. Step 3. Add your products. Go to the products section and click on Add Product. Fill in the necessary details such as product title, description, price, and images. Make sure to organize your products into collections for easier navigation. Step 4. Set up payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Configure shipping settings. Under Settings, select Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates, zones, and methods. Make sure to include any necessary information regarding delivery times and costs. Once you have completed these steps, your Shopify store will be ready for customers. Take your time to explore additional features and settings to enhance your online presence.